Want to swap a nozzle on the Bambu Lab P2S? It's way easier than you think. First, remove the toolhead front cover assembly and hang it to the toolhead. Hold both sides of the silicone sock for hot end, then pull it diagonally downward with force to remove it. Unlock the hot end clip. Release the right side first. Hold the upper and lower ends of the heatsink, then remove the hot end. Well done, you made it. To install the new nozzle, just reverse the process. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe for more.